Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into 20 computer shortcuts that will boost your productivity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who spends a lot of time on their computer, these shortcuts will save you time and make you more efficient. I've been using these shortcuts for years, and I can honestly say they've made a huge difference in my workflow. So, buckle up and get ready to learn some keyboard magic. This first one's a classic, Ctrl+C. Select your text or files, hit those keys, and boom, you've copied it. And of course, you gotta paste that copied stuff somewhere. That's where Ctrl+V comes in. Need to move something instead of copying? Ctrl+X will cut it out, ready to be pasted somewhere new. Made a mistake? Don't panic. Ctrl+Z is your trusty undo button. Seriously, this one's a lifesaver. But wait, what if you undid something you actually wanted? Ctrl+Y is your redo buddy. Need to grab everything? Ctrl+A will select all the text or files in your current window. Super handy. Got a million windows open? Alt+Tab lets you quickly switch between them. No more clicking through the taskbar. This one's a biggie. Ctrl+Alt+Delete brings up your system options, including Task Manager for when things go wrong. Got to step away from your computer? Windows key plus L instantly locks it up, keeping your stuff safe and sound. Need to find a file? Pressing Windows key plus E opens up File Explorer, your gateway to all the files on your computer. Want to see your desktop real quick? Windows key plus D minimizes all your windows and then brings them back when you press it again. This one's for the power users. Windows key plus R opens the Run dialog box where you can quickly launch programs or commands. Need to kill a program that's gone rogue? Ctrl+Shift+S opens Task Manager directly. No extra clicks needed. Done with a window? Alt+F4 will shut it down quickly and cleanly. Just be sure you've saved your work. Need to rename a file or folder? F2 lets you do it right then and there, no right-click menu needed. Want to organize your windows neatly? The Windows key plus arrow key snaps them to different parts of the screen. Super efficient. For all you Mac users out there, Command+C is your go-to copy shortcut. Works just like Ctrl+C on Windows. And of course, you need to paste that copied stuff. Command+V is your Mac equivalent of Ctrl+V. Need to cut something out on your Mac? Command+X will do the trick, just like Ctrl+X on Windows. Mac users rejoice! Command+Z is your undo button, just like on Windows. Mistakes be gone. So there you have it. 20 essential computer shortcuts that can seriously boost your productivity. I encourage you to practice these shortcuts and integrate them into your daily workflow. You'll be amazed at how much time you save and how much more efficient you become. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.